What is the difference between pressing Alt+Tab and Ctrl+Alt+Tab? When I press Alt+Tab, then I get a window to switch between windows. With Ctrl+Alt+Tab, I get the same result. What is the difference between them?
Keyboard shortcuts in Windows. Alt+Tab switch between open apps. Ctrl+Alt+Tab use the arrow keys to switch between all open apps. In other words, Alt+Tab switches between open apps immediately after releasing the Alt key. Ctrl+Alt+Tab opens a quasi-dialog window where you use the arrow keys to walk over all open apps and you need to press Enter, or click a mouse button, to confirm your choice.
Alt+Tab will let you select the application, and when you release the Alt key, you will be switched to the window you selected. With Ctrl+Alt+Tab, the selection screen will remain displayed, and you will have to press Enter to actually change the focus.
Alt+Escape switches to the next open window. Alt+Shift+Escape switches to the previous open window. Alt+Tab cycles through open windows, and switches to the window when the Alt key is released. This is known as cool switch. Pressing Escape cancels switching windows. Alt+Shift+Tab cycles backwards through open windows, and switches to the window when the Alt key is released. This is known as cool switch. Pressing Escape cancels switching windows. Ctrl+Alt+Tab Vista starts Windows cool switch. Use arrow keys, Tab, or Shift+Tab to navigate and enter a space to activate. Pressing Escape cancels switching windows. Winky+T toggles speech dictation mode. Vista cycles through. Taskbar buttons, press Enter or space to activate a window. This is same as Winky+Tab in older versions. Winky+Tab cycles through taskbar buttons, press Enter or space to activate a window. Vista cycles through open windows using Windows Flip 3D. Release keys to activate window. Pressing Escape. Cancel switching windows. Winky+Ctrl+Tab cycles through parts of the desktop and taskbar. Vista starts Windows Flip 3D. Use arrow keys, Tab, or Shift+Tab to navigate and enter a space to activate. Pressing Escape cancels switching windows. From shortcut keys and key modifiers at this URL.
There is just difference that Ctrl+Alt+Tab leaves your window selection on screen when you release the keys. Either way, you can hover over the window with your mouse and click to select the chosen one.
If you